friends, today we will continue with linkage mapping. So before discussing linkage mapping, we should know some basic terminology related to linkage mapping. So let's begin. What is linkage? Linkage is tendency of two or more gene loci to be inherited together. Inherited together. Two or more gene loci to be inherited together is the linkage. And what is recombination? Recombination is the new combination of alleles. New combination of allele which occurs because of crossing over. When crossing over occurs between linked gene, it leads to recombination, which is new combination of allele. So what is crossing over? Crossing over is a physical exchange of homologous segments. Please focus on homologous segment between the homologous chromosome. Okay, so because of this crossing over, linked genes crossing over between linked genes, it leads to recombination. Okay, recombination, which is new combination of allele, which is different than linkage, linked gene. So now because of this crossing over, you will get recombination. Then you have frequency of recombination. Now this frequency of recombination, it is directly proportional to distance between two genes. मतलब जितना ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस है उतना ज़्यादा रिकॉम्बिनेशन हो रहा है, जितने पास है वो तो लिंकेज की कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा है. तो ये जो आपका बेसिक है, ये जो आपका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज द फीचर ऑफ लिंकेज. एंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट was exploited by Sir Sturtevant in 1913 to generate first ever linkage map of Drosophila. Sometimes this question asked in prelims, in interview, and so lots of examination. You first linkage map इसमें generate किया तो Sir Sturtevant ने 1913 Drosophila. तो उन्होंने ये फीचर ही एक्सप्लोर किया that recombination rate जो है, frequency of recombination is proportional to distance between the two genes. Now, what is genetic map? Don't confuse genetic map with linkage map, because generally people confuse with genetic map and linkage map. Genetic map is schematic representation of genetic markers along the chromosome in an organism, representing the distance between the genes or marker. तो ये क्रोमोसोम है, schematic representation of genetic marker. Please, you should know what is genetic marker, as I have already told in lecture 1. What is genetic marker? Okay, and representing the distance between them. कितनी दूरी पे है ये, तो जीन कितनी दूरी पे है, ये एक मैप रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. अब मैप का तो मतलब यही होता है ना, दैट रिप्रेजेंटिंग द लोकेशंस बिटवीन, लोकेशन क्या चीज़ यहाँ है, यहाँ इनके बीच में कितनी दूरी है, क्या डायरेक्शन है. तो वही चीज़ है ये जेनेटिक मैप, जेनेटिक मार्कर्स है. और वन थिंग यू शुड नो, इट इज़ नॉट रिलेटिव लोकेशन. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट रिलेटिव लोकेशन, इट इज़ डिस्टेंस. तो नाउ दिस जेनेटिक मैप, how you will generate genetic map? To generate genetic map, you can have generate linkage map, physical map, and cytogenetic map. ठीक है, तो जो linkage map है, this linkage map is one of the genetic map. The genetic map which represent relative location of various genetic markers. Now you focus on term relative location of various genetic markers in chromosome of an organism. ठीक है, तो you should know what is difference between that linkage map and genetic map. It is not equivalent. Linkage map is one of the form of genetic map where you represent genetic marker in their relative location between them in a chromosome. तो रिलेटिव लोकेशन, दिस रिलेटिव लोकेशन आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? बाय कैलकुलेटिंग रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी बिटवीन पेयर ऑफ मार्कर. अब रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बहुत चीज यू नीड अ मैपिंग पॉपुलेशन. दिस आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन अर्लियर लेक्चर्स. तो फॉर दैट वी नीड मैपिंग पॉपुलेशन टू कैलकुलेट द रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी बिटवीन पेयर्स ऑफ मार्कर. नाउ थ्रू दिस मैपिंग पॉपुलेशन यू विल कैलकुलेट रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी. Now, then with this recombination frequency, you will calculate the genetic distance or the map. Now, this genetic distance क्या है? I will tell genetic distance. Now, using this genetic marker, genetic distance between these marker, you will group these mark based on this value. You will group this marker in the respective linkage group. लिंकेज ग्रुप क्या है? हर एक स्पीसीज का एक पर्टिकुलर लिंकेज ग्रुप होता है which is equivalent to its haploid chromosome number, and this linkage group markers will group in particular linkage group, मतलब particular their chromosome where they belong, based on the genetic distance. ठीक है? और genetic distance how you will calculate? Based on the recombination frequency between the pair of marker. तो अभी जो रिकॉम्बिनेशन रेट है या रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी है, ये आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? देखिए, जो हमारा लिंकेज मैपिंग है, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन टू बेसिक फंडामेंटल. वन इज लिंकेज phenomenon and another is crossing over. Now this each event of crossing over which leads to between two linked gene, it leads to generation of two parental and two recombinant genotypes. ठीक है? नाउ दिस टू पैरेंटल एंड टू, मतलब आफ्टर कैलकुलेट knowing how much parental, how much recombinant genotype you are getting, you will calculate recombination rate, which is the proportion of number of recombinant progeny out of the total number of test cross progeny. ठीक है? दैट इज आपके पास कितना रिकॉम्बिनेंट प्रोजेनी है आउट ऑफ टोटल रिकॉम्बिनेंट टेस्ट क्रॉस प्रोजेनी, इससे आपको मिलेगा रिकॉम्बिनेशन रेट. ये रिकॉम्बिनेशन रेट आप some of the mapping population like back cross, double haploid, you can directly estimate by phenotyping of the test cross. But for real mapping population and up to, you cannot directly estimate. So for real mapping population, you have to calculate this, the proportion of recombinant inbred lines. This is capital R. That is number of inbred lines which are recombinant for the genes. And this divided by total number of inbred line, that is proportion of the inbred line with recombinant gene. Now based on some calculation we get to point that this R is twice of this recombination rate. Okay, so now this is the basic thing which is applied to calculate the linkage map, to design to obtain a linkage map of an organism. Now the most important thing is the genetic distance. अब जेनेटिक डिस्टेंस, जो डिस्टेंस है, रिलेटिव लोकेशन है, वो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? वी नीड अ मैपिंग फंक्शन. वी नीड अ मैपिंग फंक्शन टू कन्वर्ट दिस रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी इनटू अ जेनेटिक डिस्टेंस. तो बेसिकली क्या है ये? बेसिकली टू मोस्ट पॉपुलर मैपिंग फंक्शन विच इज यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ट दिस to obtain this genetic distance is Haldane mapping function and Kosambi mapping function. Now this Haldane mapping function, in this mapping function we assume that there is no interference occurring between the two neighboring crossing over event. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे interference assume नहीं करते Haldane में. And on the other hand, in Kosambi mapping function, the interference is assumed. That is, coincidence is taken there, which is actually happening. Okay, because no interference, this assumption is not exactly up to true. Actually somehow into somewhere interference is occurring. So in this Kosambi mapping function, using this Kosambi mapping function, based on this study we came to conclusion that 1 centimorgan distance is not equivalent to the 1% of recombination frequency between the two genes. However, this 1 centimorgan is equal to 1 it is that expected that 1 centimorgan is equal to 1% of crossing over between the two genes. This is the some calculation, some observation which obtained, which we concluded after this genetic mapping function, after studying this mapping function. So this is the basic thing which we should know before going for what is linkage mapping, how we will go for linkage mapping, because without knowing these things you cannot understand. So in next lecture tomorrow I will tell what is the general procedure of linkage mapping, then softwares, some programs and other things which we require for generating a linkage map. Okay, hope you are getting this some points from there. I hopefully that if there is any doubt, please let me know, inbox me. I will tell in detail. These some R and R, these things are also in detail also, which I didn't explain here. Thank you so much.